Why am I doing what? Repeat it. Repeat
Why
what you
are
said.
Doing this?
Repeat it. Repeat it.
Wow. Okay. Well,
Repeat it. Repeat it. Repeat it. You can't.
Daddy, I love pepper. I just.
So I'm gonna be 100% committed to taking care of my newborn and myself, because when mama is good, baby's good. Thank you all for reaching out and for everything. I honestly don't know what I'll do without your support. I love you so much.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Kora husband. Don't finally come out, come talk. Hey. Not be small thing, no. The way me I look the whole thing, according to the write-up of the man and the video, the man say he don't pay. Where Kora do they cheat on her. It says since 2018, now this quarrel start. Since 2018. It says so he should be like prisoner for the house, fair not the let and talk. So the thing don't pass the way it's supposed to be now. So that he can't cry, come out. Like the thing just structuralize me. And 12 they say they the same house, so and they quarrel. Even when they video Kora, they even they talk say, why are you doing this? You know? So the thing just tire me. You know, say all those celebrities, they don't trust them. Many of them, they always cheat on their husband. Like the thing just shocked me. My people, more than me show this video. Like I know just understand. And the way me I look the whole thing, make Kora let this man go because Oyibo I know how they do their things. Make you not go make Kora for his house, because they trust them. You understand? So if for me, you have to say make Kora just come out. Make it just come out. Make it just let this man. Make this man just live his life, because the way this thing be, so make one person not go by inside, because Oyibo, even when you don't know say really born pikin, Kora still be like this. Like they don't they trust them. Even that the other one where they dance we marry Nigeria, not been they say they jogo gari that time. So the thing get I be. I just pity for Kora. Like the man, they even the way she they talk, she they place, you know. So the man not fit bear am again. Maybe all those men see they call am now, say don't even born pikin, will not know. So my people, I'll put the video more na Siam. Kora, please. If you know say everything not dey okay, I beg. May you let this man go, may not go meme you for his house. Oyibo, they don't they trust them. They don't they trust them. I beg, my darling. Please. If you just know, say everything is not okay, just let this man go, I beg. I beg. I use God beg you, my sister. May you not go, may will not cause you RIP, because Oyibo, any small verse, now if you carry gun, if you carry anything, that's what them be, Oyibo, they don't they trust them. So my people, I'll put the video more now. See, I'm gonna show the video. Bye everybody. Bye.
Good morning. It's time for us to take my supplements. How are you guys doing today? You okay? I'm very good. I'm fine. I am great. Everything's fine. We're just taking one day at a time. You guys know it's 1 week after Athena, and we're focusing on Athena and on my health, making sure that everything is great. Good morning. Remember, for all of us sisters that are together in this, we're taking our prenatals and we're taking loads and loads of oils. This is sunflower lecithin. Loads and loads of oils. And for you guys who have bought my book, I would love to see pictures of it. At this point, I would really love to see pictures of it. That would make my day. you know, it make me happy. So thank you for supporting me as always. I appreciate the hell out of you. My online family. Oh, I gotta put this already. Look at all these supplements. Postpartum is not easy, y'all. Absolutely not easy. I'm gonna give you a live update on June and Athena. We're doing great, we're fine. June is great. Let me show you. Are you okay, my love? Jenny? Okay. This is me. Good morning. Okay, so basically, you know any idea what the Brita is?
The what?
Brita, the water filter. So perfectly starred away. This with love. Athena's cord. I don't know what to do with that. What do you do with the cord? I'm taking my placenta pills, but I absolutely don't know what to do with the cord. Should I save it as a Christmas decoration?
It's a toy.
You know? Growing up, I saw my placenta with my daddy. I was like, ew, daddy, throw that away. That's gross. It's a crocodile. Good job. Are you sure it's a crocodile and not an alligator? Alligator. So I'm gonna be 100% committed to taking care of my newborn and myself, because the mama is good, baby's good. Thank you all for reaching out and for everything. I honestly don't know what I'll do without your support. I love you so much. Have a beautiful, blessed rest of your day. And I hope that me finding the strength to come up here